Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you a simple way how you can simply, how would I call it, restore your website from trash in weeks. So let's start. I was just looking on the updates right now. So what you want to do is just simply click on next to weeks my sites, and when you're gonna do it, you're gonna see all sites here and you're gonna see trash. So you want to just click on trash, and then you're gonna see this restore site. So you get like site actions, and you're gonna restore and remove, and click restore. Yes. Oh, nice. And click my sites again. And as you can see, I got the website right here, so I'm good to go. And this is pretty much how we do it. And this is how we can restore website in weeks. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you and provide you some guidance and stuff like that. Have a great day. And I love you.